Ngayong gabi, ginawa nating makabuluhan ang paglalakbay na ito dahil sa bawat minutong tayo na bigyan ng buhay, walang mas higit pang gawin than to give the best foundation for our young generation, hone them, and make them proud of themselves dahil sila ay mga disiplinado, mga responsableng, mga atleta, responsableng mga kabataan ng Zamboanga Peninsula. While we may have a lot of challenges at present, specifically the West Philippine Sea conflicts, we continue to stand firm and rally behind our government. This is now the best time to ensure that our young people are aware of what's happening. Kaya po, ang Zebra